Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into BMO bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into a BMO bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome and click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in bmo.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of BMO bank. So let's wait for it. And on this interface, guys, you'll be required to choose your location from where you are, either Canada or US. We'll be going to the US, so let's click on it. And on this interface, let's wait for it. You can see the sign in button appear at the top of the screen or the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering right now. Click on the sign in button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the express loan pay, account view, and all these things over here. And you can choose these if you are logging into these, but in order to log into your digital banking account, you can see the sign into BMO digital banking account over here. Click on there and you'll be redirected to the login page of BMO bank. So let's wait for it. And on this interface, guys, you'll be required to enter your user ID of your account, and after that enter your password which you had registered on BMO bank account at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can simply click on this button where it says forgot user ID or forgot password, depending upon which one you lost. And after that, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your BMO bank account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your BMO bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.